They look very flush, don't they?
So Alex can show you how to do this stuff.
Okay, right. I'm going to start this up. I'm not very good at it. Okay.
Normal.
Okay, so the darker side is the face side.
Yeah.
Alright, so is there always a darker side of the brick?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
How's that? Okay. I like
and then you would scrape the excess mortar.
Yeah.
And then you would put it that way to make sure.
Would you do that with every course of bricks?
Yeah.
Really?
Try another one?
Fantastic. I'll try another. Come on.
Butter it, Alex.
Say again?
Show that, Alex, the
Butter the brick. Butter the. You call it buttering the brick.
buttering the brick.
So you buttering.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the perk job.
Yeah.
What's the perk?
Oh, like icing.
On top. And then you would smack it down.
Smack it down.
Yep.
Okay.
Just explain where the bubble should be, Alex.
The bubble should be
Bubbles
right.
that's right. Well, then you see the bubbles are centred. That's fantastic.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then you would do the sides.
Yeah.
And then you would scrape the excess.
Yeah.
And you would.
Yeah.
You might want a bit more.
A bit more water.
Yeah.
Like that.
And then you would press it down.
Yeah.
With the trowel.
Sure.
And you would get the top of the trowel and press it inwards.
Okay.
And then you would get the brick.
Yeah.
Place it.
Yeah. Come on. Let's go.
And then you would scrape the excess mortar off.
Yeah. Morning. Hello, how do you do? Hello, how do you do? How are you? How are you? What's your name? Jacob. What are you making?
I'm just writing down. Yeah, all the aspects of like what you use.
It's a fabrication task.
Fabrication task.
So it teaches them how to bend, to cut, to measure.
Yes. Fantastic. That's really good. Did you weld all this yourself?
Yeah, put it all
Like
down
it.
and everything, yeah.
Fantastic. Okay. Why do you some types of plastic and some of them copper?
Some of them can be used differently. Some of them.
We've seen this.
I have a go. Yeah, my bricklaying was pretty terrible. I have a go. Bricklaying was
It's fallen down.
It hasn't fallen down yet. Okay, come on. Come on, Cassidy.
Yeah.
Well, I've been teaching all day, you can have it.
Yeah, I remember now.
Go on, Cassidy. Right. What have we got to do here?
First I was doing an offset to get round if there was an obstruction in there.
Okay.
First measure the gap. You could use centre to centre, that to there,
Yeah.
or there to there. The
Right.
dimensions are all the same from there.
Is that right?
Yeah. So it's 50 mil.
Basically, the idea of the offset is to get round an obstruction. So we're not changing direction, we're just going around something. So we've measured the lines there. We've got two parallel lines.
Just like that.
Okay.
And then,
So if you use that,
leave it there.
Right.
And then let's have a look at it.
you can actually use the mark on the machine itself. It marks up to 35 degrees.
So if you want to pull that,
Put more?
tiny bit
Yeah.
more.
Cassidy, you tell me when.
There we go.
Is that enough?
Yeah, that'll be good enough.
I thought I better too. Is that 35 degrees? Would
Yeah.
you say?
I'd say
That's
so.
pretty good.
So we take this
Pretty
back
good.
now. Let's see.
What are you actually looking for there?
So we make sure that's like the same distance off there. So then
Okay.
when you bend
I've
it,
got
it
you.
doesn't